Pam here from Aunt M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and I've got a fun Scrappy challenge for you. Would you like to participate? All the details are in Aunt M's So Long Adventure, but let me give you just a little sneak peek of what we're doing. If you've got Scrappy strips, I've got Scrappy strips, all sizes and widths, doesn't matter. We're going to sew them into strip sets, so at least sets of 2, but you can go higher, and then you can cut them into squares, into stacks, half squares, quarter squares, wedges, or you can go improv and create a creation from your scrappy strips. Then you'll enter your creation to me, and there will be prizes. So prizes, there's opportunity for everyone who participates. One lucky winner will be chosen among them, and then we'll do a viewer's choice. I hope you'll join me in this fun Scrappy adventure. So head on over to auntmsquilts.com/sew-along and join the fun and get the details, and good luck on winning your gift certificate. Can't wait to see what you create. Bye-bye.